Welcome to Upstar Plus. ChatGPT has been making significant improvements recently, introducing some much anticipated features. Let me quickly walk you through these. Firstly, we have now a button to hide the sidebar. The sidebar displays chat titles, and in certain situations, we may prefer to keep our previous chats private. The addition of this feature allows you to easily hide or reveal sidebar in ChatGPT at the click of a button. The Browse with Bing feature under GPT-4 now displays the most recent results from the web. For instance, if I ask, "What is the temperature in Lahore right now?" I get a prompt response that is updated and latest. The chat is then saved, and you can easily copy it by clicking on this icon. Every chat is automatically assigned a name by ChatGPT. However, the new update also allows us to rename the chat by clicking on this pencil icon. In addition, we can now selectively share chats publicly by clicking on a specific icon in the sidebar, this one. To share a chat, simply copy the link. To illustrate, let's consider an incognito window where I am not logged into ChatGPT. If I open the link in this window, this specific chat is displayed. This feature proves very helpful when you want to share selected chats with others. Managing shared chats is straightforward. Navigate to Settings, choose Data Controls, then click on Manage next to Shared Links. Here you have the option to disable publicly shared chat links. In addition, the Export Data option lets you export chats that are currently saved in Sidebar. In the beta features, you can toggle browsing and plugins for ChatGPT Plus on or off. Under GPT-4, there is an option for plugins with Plugin Store. ChatGPT introduced new features to Plugin Store as well. The Installed Plugins option and Search Plugins option. These were much needed. Before this update, it was a bit tricky determining which plugins we had installed in ChatGPT. Now we have centralized place to manage all installed plugins under Installed tab. The search feature also allows us to quickly sift through plugins. Before this update, finding a particular plugin involved navigating through the entire list. These updates have brought many useful and much needed features to ChatGPT since my last discussion about it. However, there is still one thing missing. We currently only have short descriptions of plugins, which are not very informative. Ideally, there should be a plugin details option for each plugin, including information about the plugin developer and a link to the plugin's homepage. Such a feature would greatly enhance our ability to get the most out of plugins. Please share your thoughts in comments section. Which features do you find most appealing, and are there any additional features you would like to see implemented in ChatGPT? Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.